everyone, I am Nidhi from Edureka and I welcome you back to Edureka's YouTube channel. In today's exciting session, we will explore the top 5 full stack projects to build that will boost your resume. Let's dive in and discover how these projects can enhance your full stack development skills and make your resume stand out. Before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest tech content from Edureka. Also remember to check out Edureka's website for our training and certification courses. The link is in the description box below. Now let's outline what we will cover in this video. First, we will start with the introduction to the job market, discussing the current trends and growing demands of full stack developers. Next, we will dive into why full stack projects should be AI focused. We will explore how AI is shaping the development landscape and why incorporating AI into your projects can enhance your portfolio and career prospects. Then we will move on to the most exciting part, that is top 5 full stack projects. We will go through each project, discussing its relevance and explain how you can build these projects to demonstrate your skills and attract the potential employers. Finally, we will wrap up by discussing the certification to enhance your career. We will highlight the key certification that can help you level up your full stack development skill and make you stand out in competitive job market. So now that we have set up the stage, let's dive deeper into job demands in both USA and India and understand why full stack development is such high in demand. The US represents a massive market for web development. With a solid 23% growth rate, this is driven by several factors including the increasing digitalization of businesses and the rise of e-commerce. Now let's turn our attention to India. Look at the growth rate, a whopping 35%. India has emerged as a major hub of web development with a large pool of talented and affordable developers. Having explored the impressive growth of web development market in both USA and India, let's take a look at the current job market for full stack developers on popular platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri and 𝐑𝐸. In USA, we are seeing a strong presence of full stack developers role across these platforms. LinkedIn shows over 11,000 plus open positions, Indeed around 6,000 plus, and 𝐑𝐸, a platform specifically for tech professionals, boasts over 16,000 plus opportunities. Now let's turn our attention to India. The job market here is absolutely buzzing. On LinkedIn, we see over 10,000 plus full stack developer roles. Indeed has around 8,000 plus listings, and Naukri, a leading job portal in India, shows an impressive 30,000 plus openings. Alright, now that we have explored the job market and seen the abundance of opportunities, let's talk about how you can best position yourself in this competitive landscape. One of the most impactful ways to do this is by incorporating AI into your full stack projects. Now let's look at some features for why full stack projects should be AI focused. So the first reason is high demand for AI skills. AI is revolutionizing industries, making AI expertise highly sought after. Including AI in your projects can boost your employability. And the next one is future-proofs your portfolio. AI is central to the evolving tech landscape. Showcasing AI integration highlights your adaptability to future trends. The next one is bridges full stack and AI. AI-focused projects demonstrate expertise in both full stack development and AI tools, and that shows that you are well-rounded. The next one is highlights problem-solving abilities. Tackling real-world challenges with AI-powered solutions proves your creativity and analytical skills. The next one is appeals to AI-driven companies. AI-first organizations value AI experience. And the next one is showcases proficiency in modern tools. AI projects utilize advanced technologies, highlighting your competence with cutting-edge tools. With a solid understanding of job market and value of incorporating AI into your projects, now let's move on to the most exciting part. That is top 5 full stack projects to build that will make your resume stand out and attract the attention of potential employer. Now let's dive into the details of our first project, that is decentralized library. A decentralized library is a digital library powered by a distributed network instead of central server, ensuring the security and accessibility. So let me walk you through the features that we can include in decentralized e-library. So now let's break down the key features that we are going to include in our decentralized library. First, we have user login, which ensures the secure and personalized access to every user. Once logged in, user can explore a wide range of books using search and discover book feature. Next, we will include the upload book feature. This allows the authorized users such as admins and contributors to add new books to keep the library constantly updated. After discovering a book, user can easily borrow book through a simple intuitive process. For premium content, secure payment processing will be integrated to handle transactions seamlessly. To help the user stay organized, there is a track borrowed books feature which lets the user to monitor the due date and track their reading progress. Once they have finished the reading, user can engage with the platform through a write reviews and rating feature, sharing feedback to help others to find the best book. On the administrative side, the admin management system allows the admin to manage books, monitor user activities, and keep the platform running smoothly. Finally, we will add the analytics and insights to provide the valuable data on the platform performance, user preferences, and trends. So these features make our decentralized library a comprehensive, user-friendly, and innovative platform. By combining all these features, we can create a powerful and user-friendly platform that makes accessing and managing library resources easier than even before. So now that we have discussed the features of our decentralized library, let's take a look at the technologies required to bring this project into life. So we will start with React.js for building the dynamic and interactive user experience. This ensures a seamless experience for the user while navigating the platform. For the backend, we will use Node.js with the Express.js to handle the server-side logic and APIs to manage the request efficiently. To store and retrieve data, we will integrate MongoDB or 𝐄𝐝𝐿 as our database solutions, ensuring the stability and flexibility for handling large volumes of book data. To manage the file storage in decentralized way, we can utilize IPFS or interplanetary file system. This will allow us to store books and other files securely in the distributed manner. To implement blockchain technology, we will leverage Ethereum or Polygon networks. This will help to handle transaction, track ownership, and ensure the transparency. Finally, we will use Web3.js or Ether.js to interact with blockchain, enabling our application to connect seamlessly with smart contracts and decentralized network. With these technologies, we can build a robust, scalable, and truly decentralized library platform. Each component plays a critical role in making the project efficient and user-friendly. Moving on from decentralized library, let's dive into our next project, that is AI-powered resume builder with analytics. So this project focuses on simplifying the resume creation process using AI. Let's take a closer look at the features of our AI-powered resume builder with analytics project. So the first one will be user authentication. The next one will be real-time collaboration. Users can work collaboratively on their resume with peers, mentors, or career advisors. The next one will be AI assistance. The core of this project is that AI will provide personalized suggestions for AI content. The next one will be version control integration. User can save multiple versions of their resume and track the changes over time. The next one will be code review. Users can invite peers and mentors to review their embedded code, providing a valuable feedback and highlight their technical expertise efficiently. And next one will be project management. For users creating multiple resumes for different job profiles, we will include the feature to manage their project and priorities tasks effectively. The next one will be code execution. These features allow the tech-focused users to showcase their skills by embedding the runnable code snippets directly to their resume. And the last will be notifications. So that's it. These features combine to make the resume building process smarter, more collaborative, and tailored for today's competitive job market. Now that we have covered the features, let's discuss the technologies required to build AI-powered resume builder with analytics report. For the user interface, we will again use React.js. The next one will be backend framework. The backend will be powered by Node.js with Express.js. The next one will be database. We will use MongoDB for its flexibility in storing structured and unstructured data. And alternatively, for relational data, PostgreSQL can be an option. The next one will be real-time communication. To enable the real-time collaboration, we will integrate socket.io for bidirectional communication between the users and the server. The next one will be AI integration. The AI capabilities will be powered by OpenAI APIs or frameworks like TensorFlow or Hugging Face transformers. The next one will be version control systems. For version control integration, we will leverage Git or APIs from platforms like GitHub or GitLab to allow users to track and manage the different versions of their resume effectively. By combining all these technologies, we will create a robust, efficient, and feature-rich platform tailored to modern resume building needs. After enhancing the job-seeking process with AI-powered resume builder, Let's now shift our focus on equally impactful domain, that is the health monitoring and scheduling system. This project aims to streamline the healthcare management by offering the users the ability to monitor their health metrics and schedule the appointments effortlessly. So the healthcare monitoring scheduling system includes the several integrated features like the user login and profile setup. The next will be health monitoring dashboard, which will display the real-time health data including the vitals and tracked activities with graphical and numerical representations for easy monitoring. The next one will be intelligent appointment scheduling, and the next one will be symptom checker and virtual assistant. The next one would be medication and routine tracker. After that, we will include health history analytics. Then we will include the integrated health fitness goals. After that, we will include the insurance and billing integration. After that, we will include the emergency contact system. And then finally, we will include the feedback and rating. So having covered these features, let us look at the technologies that will power them. So again, in the front end, we will use React.js complementing by CSS3 for styling the application, ensuring the intuitive user experience. Again, in the backend, we will include the Node.js with the Express.js, allowing to handle the HTTP request efficiently and manage the business logic for the system. And again, in the database, we will store the user data, the health records, scheduling information using MongoDB, a NoSQL database that offers the flexibility in managing the unstructured data. After that, we will include the real-time features to enable the real-time communications, especially for live health monitoring updates and notification. We will use socket.io. After that, we will include DevOps and hosting. The application will be containerized using Docker for consistency across the environment. And it will be hosted on AWS, offering the scalability and reliability. The next one is APIs and integration. The system will rely on REST APIs for communication between the front-end and the back-end. We will also integrate the Google Calendar APIs for scheduling the appointments seamlessly. The next one will be authentication. For secure authentication, we will implement JWT, that is JSON Web Tokens, to ensure the stateless and scalable authentication mechanism. And at last, we will include AI/ML. The system will leverage Python and scikit-learn to build machine learning models for symptom checking and personalized health insights. So that's it about the technologies required to build an health monitoring system. Now let's shift our gears to explore a new project that would be Smart Expense Tracker with AI Insights. So now first of all, let's look at the features that we can include in the Smart Expense Tracker with AI Insights. First one will of course be user authentication. After that, we will include the expense dashboard, a clean and intuitive dashboard displaying an overview of expense categories and spending patterns. After that, we will include the AI-powered spending insight. Again, after that, we will include the expense prediction. After that, we will include the multi-currency support that will allow the users to track the expense in different currencies, ideal for international transactions. After that, we will include the real-time notification. And at last, we will include the secure data management that ensures the user data is encrypted and securely stored. So now the technologies that we are using in Smart Expense Tracker with AI Insights are pretty much same as our previous project. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next project. So the next project that we can include in our resume can be AI image generator with customization option. This project is a great choice as AI-driven image generation is trending right now, allowing the user to create a personalized visuals with ease. It is perfect blend of creativity and technology, making it an exciting project to work on and explore. Now let us quickly look at the features that we can include in this project. The first one would be user authentication and profile management. The second one would be image generation option. AI-powered tools can generate high-quality images based on the user inputs and prompts. The next one would be customization feature, options to personalize generated images, including style, colors, and content preferences. After that, we will include AI fine-tuning, that means ability to refine the AI model for more specific and accurate image outputs. The next one would be image editing tools, that means a built-in editing tool for fine-tune images and make quick adjustments. The next one would be batch image generation that will generate the multiple images at once. The next feature that we can include is download and sharing option. After that, we can include the cloud storage and management to secure the cloud storage for users to save and manage their generated images. After that, we can include the premium features for subscribers. And at last, we can include the real-time preview. So that's it for the features that we can add in AI image generator with customization option. So now let us quickly look at the technologies that we can use in this project. So first of all, we will go with front end. We will use React.js again for dynamic building. And we will also use the CSS3 for styling and material UI for ready-to-use UI components. Next, we will work with the backend. The backend will be powered by Node.js and Express.js, providing a fast and scalable environment. After that, we will work with cloud and hosting services. For seamless storage and scaling, we will rely on AWS for cloud hosting and Amazon S3 for secure image storage. After that, we will work with authentication and authorization. We will again implement the JSON Web Tokens for ensuring the safe and efficient authentication. After that, we will work with AI and image processing. Python with libraries like TensorFlow and OpenCV will handle the AI image generation and processing, ensuring the high-quality customizable options. Next, we will work with the database technologies. We will again use MongoDB to store the user data and image metadata. After that, finally, we will work with deployment and version controls. Docker will be used to containerize the application, while GitHub will handle the version control, ensuring the smooth collaboration and deployment. So now that we have covered the projects, let's talk about Edureka's certification program that can help you master the technologies involved in full stack development and take your skill to the next level. So Edureka's Full Stack Developers Master Program is a comprehensive 21-week course designed to equip you with the skills needed to build an interactive and responsive web applications. The program covers the essential technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, and MongoDB, providing a 360-degree understanding of front-end and the back-end development. Led by industry experts, this course offers a hands-on experience and real-time application to ensure the practical learning. Upon completion, you will receive a Master's Program Completion Certificate along with the individual course certificate validating your expertise in full stack development. So that's it for this video. In this video, we have explored the top 5 projects that will enhance your resume. And along with that, we have also seen Edureka's certification program. So these hands-on projects combined with Edureka's certification program will equip you with the skills needed to excel as a full stack developer. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment down any of your doubts and queries. We will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka's channel to learn more. Happy learning!